Since the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up to the stars, always curious for what is beyond our tiny blue dot. The best place to start is probably our solar system. There have been countless books, concept art, and movies about our future in space. So today I want to talk about several objects in our future with them. First up, Mercury. For those of you who don't know, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, so it's hot, like 800 degrees Fahrenheit hot. Mercury is also the smallest planet, hardly bigger than our moon. Because of this, its gravitational pull is only about 1/3 of Earth. Because of its small size, it cannot hold onto an atmosphere, making it really hot on one side and far below freezing on the other. This rules Mercury out of the question. Venus. If Earth and Venus were twins, then Venus would be the evil twin. It has an incredibly thick atmosphere that holds on to gases that constantly heat the atmosphere, but some layers of the atmosphere are ideal for humans. We are considering building sky cities in these layers, like a real-life cloud city. This does not entirely rule Venus out of the question for colonization. Mars. Mars is quite similar to Earth because it has a similar rotation or day and has polar ice caps. But make no mistake, for that Mars is a cold, harsh, and dead world. Landing humans there would be one of the greatest challenges we have ever faced. Because of its thin magnetosphere, Mars is also exposed to much more radiation than Earth, which means we would have to cover our settlements. Mars is also not far from Earth, so this makes it a good spot. Next up, Europa. Europa is a moon of Jupiter, which just so happens to orbit way outside the sun's habitable zone, or zone where water can exist, but we have to stretch our definitions. We think there is a giant global ocean under its crust, perhaps even larger than all of Earth's oceans combined, and there could be life there. But now we must face the reality that everything on Earth will die, and there will be no trace we ever existed one day. The changeable answer is, will we die with our big blue dot? Will every human ever live and die on this planet? Is this how everything ends? Or is there hope? Will we find a new home among the stars? Will we build a new civilization around a new sun, orbiting a new star? Will we exist for an inconceivable amount of time? Or will we be forgotten? Time is our most precious resource, for that it is constantly slipping away from us every second of our lives. It is undeniable that one day